For this activity, make sure that you have this worksheet, either download it or get it from your teacher. So the GeoGebra app that we're going to use is to show multiplication of fractions. So we have multiplication of fraction with one app. The app's going to kind of give you this window. I'll get to it right in a second. And there is another app here which gives you a window that kind of looks like that. Okay, so make sure that you have this worksheet and you record your results as you go and do the worksheet. Okay, so the first app is showing going to work on the multiplication of 1/2 times 1/4. So if we go to that app, okay, if you click on the link or you use the scan code, you have to input in the fraction, the 1/2. It gives you this fraction here. We're going to input in the other fraction, 1/4, hit enter, and we end up with these two fractions. This is how you start. You're going to hit the go button and it'll show you the multiplication and you're going to record the results of that. For that second one, okay, so make sure you record it in here. The second one, you can go to this for number 3. We're going to go to this link here and we're going to use this link to show the multiplication, and we're going to show as our area model that we've done in class. Okay, and then we're also going to do the improper fraction multiplication. So the area model one is going to be this app here. So you can click on that, or you can use this, use the link with scan codes, and you're going to get a window that kind of looks like this. For that first one, looks like it was 2/5 times 3/4. So we're going to adjust this. We can adjust the numerator. Okay, we can make it smaller or bigger, so we're going to make it 2 out of 5. And then for the numerator of that second one, okay, we're going to do 3. So we're going to just do 3/4. We use the sliders here to do that. Okay, so then here's our area. I can zoom in and out. I'm going to zoom in along the x-axis, zoom in along the y-axis, and we got this area here. You're going to record that result. You could use this little button here to show the solution. Okay, that shows you the solution. And this to the left here is actually a more complex solution to that problem. It's using the plus version, so it's going to be, our mixed number version, whereas this one here represents our improper fraction. Okay, so to the right is improper fraction. To the left is, if we use mixed numbers, it's going to be much more complicated. Okay, so we can use mixed numbers here by changing our numerator and denominator. So let's just do that. That becomes our mixed number of, in this case, I'm just giving an example here, 2 and 2/5. This is not the example in the worksheet, but we can do another example here, 3 1/4. Okay, I'm going to zoom out a bit so we can see along the x and y axis. There's my area. Okay, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It looks like 7 or 8. Now this is the multiplication in terms of the mixed numbers. This is our improper fractions here and here. We want to use improper fractions because if we use improper fractions, our solution is much neater. Okay, we just do top times top, bottom times bottom. If we use our mixed number, notice that we have to involve the plus. When we involve the plus, we're going to have a whole bunch of different areas to work with. Okay, so we're going to have this 2 times 3 area. Okay, we have this fraction of 2/5 times 3. So that's our brown area. We're going to end up with our fraction of 2 vertically with a 3/4 fraction to get the red area. Okay, so it's a lot of work here to get this to mix the plus and the times. It's really complicated, so we don't want to do that. So this is something we don't want to do. We want to use this nice, clean, improper fraction to multiply to get the answer to this area.